Daddy left me this cattle ranch. Said, baby girl, it's yours to keep. I signed the papers with a shaky smile. Now I'm knee deep in promises and no sleep. I've interviewed half the county, every cousin, neighbor, and friend, but nobody wants the early mornings or the kind of work that never ends. Yeah, this job comes with a big old truck and sunsets wide as the open sea. There's a lonely Guernsey cow in the barn who keeps staring like she's judging me. I ain't asking for a miracle worker, just someone who ain't scared to believe. Yeah, I wish I could find somebody to work here at the cattle ranch with me. I patch more fences than hard breaks, learn tractors don't care if you cry. I've burned my hands, bruised my pride, but I'm still standing under this sky. Folks say ranching takes a special soul, one part